Looking for a move-in ready home with a flex space in the backyard that's fully finished that you could turn into an office, an art studio, or your own personal retreat? This home has it. Hi, I'm Shari Harris with Fathom Realty. Today we're going to talk about a home in Hurricane, Utah. First, we're going to talk about Hurricane. It is spelled hurricane, and it gets its name because it's pretty windy there. But what really makes this home special is that it's got these beautiful natural cliffs and they block the wind. So you can enjoy a lot more time out in your backyard. My clients talked about how they'll be out like shopping and it'll be really windy and they get home and it's just peaceful and calm in their neighborhood. Another thing about this home is it faces east. So as the sun is rising, the home is shading the backyard. And then as the sun sets in the west, the neighbor's great big mature trees keeps the backyard shaded. So most of the day, it's just a really nice shaded yard. The home is also super easy to maintain and take care of. It's got new turf and then drip lines to plants around the edges. They also have some garden boxes in the backyard and another shed for storage, really nice covered patio that you can just enjoy family dinners or dinners with friends outside. And then it has an RV pad along the side of the home, has all the hookups you need. The parking of this house is kind of unique in that not every home in this subdivision has the RV parking on the side as well as like the driveway and the sidewalk. You'll see on some of the streets there's not a sidewalk and the driveway seems a little bit shorter. And if you're on a street that doesn't have the sidewalk, you can't park on the street. So this street is great because you can park on the street. Your driveway is a little bit longer, so if you have a long truck, you can park on your driveway and fit there. So lots of nice things about this home that makes it stand out even above the others in the neighborhood. My clients have really loved living in this neighborhood. It's quiet and peaceful. The people have been great and they're actually kind of sad to leave, but are just looking for something a little bit bigger with more land for their family. And so they're really going to miss this home, and it has an HOA, only $65 a month, and that covers an indoor pool and hot tub. Now let's talk about inside. So when you walk into this home, it is so well taken care of. And it's very clean. There's one bedroom that's sort of towards the front of the house that they use as a guest bedroom. There's a bathroom there. And then you walk into the kitchen, dining, family or living room area. And then there's a bedroom right off of the living area. And then a laundry room down that hallway, and you go into the primary suite. And it's a good sized bedroom, really nice, large bathroom with a separate tub and shower. Great big closet, so great storage. Also with storage, they have a nice, easy ladder attic access in the garage and tons of space above the garage to store things. As well as in the garage, they built a couple closets on the side to put their storage, their belongings in, so they could close the door and keep it from getting dusty, dirty while they're out working on projects in the garage. So this house has the 3 bedrooms, has the 2 bathrooms. It's just over 1,500 square feet, and this home is priced at $429,000. And the location is amazing with the outdoor stuff that you can do with trails, off-roading, boating. It's not that far from Sand Hollow to go do your boating, or you can go to Zion National Park, do a day trip to Zion National Park. And then there's just trails everywhere for the biking and walking, and so it's just a really nice area if you like to enjoy the great outdoors. If you're interested in seeing this home or any others, all of my contact information is below. I hope to talk to you soon.